Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the coral manta ray in Fish It. The fish looks like this. Okay, like this. It's so cool. It's so incredible. It's it has a brick appearance, but and has a bright color, blue and red and yellow like this. And this is a mythic rarity. This one. This is the mythic fish. So it's definitely not easy to get. And the important thing is this fish only spawns during the storm weather, and you can fish it at the classic island, only at the classic island. So you can either wait for a natural storm to happen or just activate the storm weather yourself before fishing. And once the storm starts, just head to the fishing area at the classic island. For example, you can just do fishing at this area like usual. And then since this is a mythic fish, I highly recommend using your best setup, your best rod and best bait. Like for example, at least you can use the Godswin rod with the best bait for the better luck. And you can also stack extra boosts like using luck potions or luck totems to increase your chance even more. And then just be patient and keep fishing during the storm until you finally get this coral manta ray. And okay, that's how to get the coral manta ray in Fish It. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!